Morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. These are the cards that sold on January 13th. And today's January 14th. I will apologize. I am working on zero sleep. I did something last night, and please leave it in the comments below. Have you ever done something that it's just going to be so amazing that but there's like all these scheduling things you got to do in order to get there, and your mind just will not stop? Well, that was me last night. I did something last night that all night my brain is just this and that and that and that. I probably have ADHD. I don't know what I got, but I got some problems. But I guess the other news, my wife will be starting a channel called Divorced, starting over at age 50. So keep an eye out for that. I got something in the works. I'm not going to get too much into it because there's still a lot of planning involved. But I'll just say that how do you eat an elephant? It's one bite at a time. So I got a pretty big frickin' elephant that I need to start munching on. So anyway, let's get started here. So again, I apologize. My normal chipper morning self ASMR voice is probably going to be much worse today. As you can see on the screen, I sold 17 cards for $143 on eBay, Zippo on Hippo. Yeah, no sales on Hip, and my store over there, the sync is still disabled. I got an email from them yesterday. They're having problems re-enabling that sync on my store, and it's just more reason to possibly leave Hip in the near future. Okay, let's get started. This is Valentine postcard, girl pushing cart letters, heart, artisan clap saddle, Wolf Publishing. I took a best offer, $7 on this card. There's some damage on it. I probably should have just asked for a little bit more or taken a little bit more, but $7 seemed appropriate. There's Alan Clapsaddle. There is the Wolf trademark. I can't remember which came first, Wolf or International Art. I have a feeling it was Wolf. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, $7 for this Alan Clapsaddle card. Next, this is Fort Dix, New Jersey. Reception Center, fitting shoes, World War II era. $6.99 for this card. And this is called Soldier's Mail, if you're not aware, during World War II. Probably during World War I also. Soldiers could send mail for free as long as they wrote free in the stamp box and had their service number on it. So that was $6.99 for that card. Next, sold another one of these Hershey milk chocolate cow made on the farm advertising cards, $2.49. And this is a World War II era airplane F-4U Corsair Navy shipboard fighter. Same deal as that Hershey card. This came from the auction I went to in August of 2021. This sold for $2.99. Atlanta, Georgia, scenes in Grant Park, circa 1908. $5.99 for this card. There's that. And these next two cards went to the same buyer. Bluefield, West Virginia, intersection Bland, Federal Street, 1940s. There's the front, there's the back, and above my head, 1939 is when this was published. Now, there's a gas station right there, Pure maybe? I'm not sure, Fine, I'm not sure. But I could have easily worked that in. I don't even know if I saw it or not. Okay, moving on. Bluefield, West Virginia, ad card for Bluefield Junior College, $400 a year. That's pretty amazing. I think they were trying to appeal to the servicemen. I'm not sure when this was. I can't. 48. So yeah, where's that 40? I'm not sure. A lot of servicemen used the GI Bill after World War II to go to college. So that's probably what this was. 400 a year pays board room tuition and all fees for a year's work. Amazing. Amazing. I also think this is a brand new college at the time, so they could have been, um, they could have been trying to do like a recruitment. Bluefield, Virginia. I think that's Bluefield, West Virginia. Interesting. I just noticed that. Oh, error on the back. Or Bluefield borders West Virginia and Virginia. Anyway, $10.59 for that card and that card to the same buyer. Wildwood, New Jersey. I'm sorry, Wildwood by the Sea, Dual View Beach Boardwalk Amusement Pier. There's that. And that. $4.99 for that card. Another Wildwood by the Sea, Playland Amusement Park at night scooter rides. That's a horrible picture. Blue background with a mostly blue postcard. No wonder it sat for 8 or 9 years. Sold another one of those World War II military humor, the sailors hunting for German subs. To My Valentine, Girl, Green Dress, Black Cat, Broken Candy, circa 1920s. There's that. And that sold for $2.99. Also came from the auction in August. Have a whole bunch of those. This is Man Woman Golfing, Their First Hazard. Artist sign Howard Chandler Christie. There's another artist. I think he's F. Earl Christie. About the same time. I'm not sure if they're related. I've never really looked into that. Both kind of the same similar style, so they could be related. $13.99 for that card. Oh, let's look at the back. There's the back. Okay, I need more coffee. This is another. This is Chinkatink Island in Virginia. The Chinkatink Harbor fishing boats. $8.49 for that card. There's that. Coal mining, coal breaker in full operation circa 1916. That's Pennsylvania. Yeah, if you find Pennsylvania coal mining coal breakers, pick them up. $5. Some can sell for up to $100 or more. If this was like a named location, it definitely would do a little bit better. So. This is Marmora, New Jersey, Coney's Bar and Liquor Store interior, circa 1950s. Good old, looks like Pabst Blue Ribbon there, PBR. I think that's what that is. Maybe not. I'm not sure what that is now. Is that Schlitz? Yeah, there's PBR. That's PBR. Anyway. Bar interior, $24.99. I may have taken a best offer on that card. Point Loma, Sunset Cliffs, real photo. Took a best offer at $3.50. You can tell by the background I've had this up for six plus years anyway. Yeah, $3.50. Oops. This is Postcard. Of course it is. Artist Don Hendricks, race car driver, hot rod at OK Harris, New York. Best offer, $12. So there's that. Maybe it's a print. I'm not sure. Anyway, $12 for that. Did we look at the back? Yeah, we looked at the back. And the last card, Laurel, Delaware, Municipal Building, circa 1940s, $5.99. Looks like I have 2 copies. There's the front and the back. Let's look at the yeah, 1940 would be the publishing date. Okay, that's it. I need more coffee. I got to run to the antique mall to drop off 4 more boxes of cards and get my check. Hopefully it's better than that last check. The last check you saw, if you watched it, I'll see if I can remember to put a link in. It was only $134. 3 more days worth of sales got me up to over 210, I think. So that was a little bit better. This check today will be the first full check after I brought in the extra, 15,000 cards or so. Okay, I'm rambling because I'm exhausted. Keep watching. Some exciting news coming up. Lots of work. Thank you for watching.